Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials: degree or at least 3 years of relevant experience, plus a certification plan. Once done, prioritize CAPM or PMP study depending on your timeline, because hiring managers look for formal proof of skill. Next, create a one-page project management resume and a targeted LinkedIn headline. These are your primary marketing tools. Make sure to quantify results on your resume and upload a concise portfolio or project summaries so recruiters can assess you immediately. You now move into active outreach. Identify 10 target companies and map who hires project managers there, because knowing names shortens cycles. Once mapped, apply to 2 or 3 roles per company and customize each resume and cover note to match keywords and outcomes. Simultaneously, schedule informational calls, aim for 1 per week, to build internal sponsors. These conversations reveal hidden openings. Make sure to follow up within 48 hours with a tailored comment or question to keep momentum and relation. You complete the process by mastering interviews and closing offers. Prepare star stories for about 8 common project management questions and rehearse concise technical and stakeholder examples so you can pivot quickly. Once an offer arrives, negotiate using market salary ranges and include non-salary perks. Clarify start date and reporting line. Accept or return a counter within 72 hours. Then draft a 30 to 60 to 90-day success plan so you start with clear deliverables. If talks stall, ask for one clarifying meeting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.